Welcome! In front of me I have Xiaomi Amazfit GTS 2 and I'm gonna show you how to install additional watch faces on this device. First, we need to open the Zap app on our phone. In the app, let's tap on Profile. Now select our Amazfit GTS 2 from the list of devices. Here let's select Store. And right here we have list of watch faces and watch face categories. For example, we have categories like artistic and creative, exercise and health, traditional and classic, digital dashboard, and so on. We have quite few categories. You can tap on more next to one. For example, let's tap on more next to artistic and creative to open the whole list. And here you have quite few of them, as you can see. Once you find the watch face you like, tap on it, for example this one, and tap on the sync button. And after a few seconds, your watch face will be installed and applied on your watch. You can also go back to the watch face store right here, tap on watch face management, and here we have the list of watch faces installed on our watch, as you can see. And this one appeared. I don't know why there's two of them, that's kind of weird, but you can switch between them quite easily by just tapping on the ones like that. You can also remove the watch faces. To do it, tap on delete right here. Select the watch face you want to remove, so let's remove both of them because I'm not sure which one is the real one. And then tap delete. And then delete again to confirm. And below the list of watch faces installed on your watch, you have also a download record, and you can see here which watch faces you downloaded before. So if you removed it and you want to install it again, you can tap on it right here and tap sync to sync it with your watch. And that's how you install additional watch faces on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.